This video is designed to introduce you to the final project of the term, the digital short. It will explore the importance of visual rhetoric in the first year writing course, the transition from the traditional essay to the digital short, and a toolkit for staging and implementing the creation of a digital short. Visual rhetoric is a meaning-making skill or a behavior for how we process and communicate information. It is how we utilize images and other visual elements to convey ideas and to build knowledge. The arrangement of color, shapes, typography, the appeal to natural and human-made elements create a baseline for how we think visually as a civilization. Not everyone in the world has experienced the rigors of traffic in large metropolitan city, but everyone has walked on some sort of road, whether it is paved or dirt, brick or asphalt. A road is a universal image. Some images mean different things in different cultures and societies. Every society and nation has its own language, life experience, and social expectations on the individual through its unique social structures like media, education, law, and medicine. The same can be said for communicating ideas and concepts through images in various discourse communities, professions, and even academic majors. When we utilize visual rhetoric, we are acknowledging this reality. We are also utilizing the traditional skills of composition, critical thinking, and rhetoric that we use when we write. In fact, the process for making a digital short is very similar to that of writing an essay, in the sense that we can write a draft based on the concepts of claims, evidence, and analysis that we utilize in our traditional essays. Furthermore, the resources that we have gathered during our research will provide evidence for the written script and even visual evidence for the digital short itself. Before we can assemble our digital script and digital short, we want to think of the style or rhetorical genre that we are going to communicate our writing through. You will find a few examples of digital short rhetorical genres on Canvas. Each of these presents information in very different ways, similar to the traditional essay. When developing the digital short, we want to think of who our audience is and how we want to present our information to allow them to enter into our ideas. Are we trying to motivate, inform, educate? The next step is to add visual and audio depth. We might not create a digital short that wins an Oscar, but we can still provide details and effects that make our videos appear polished. This is achieved through using a variety of resources listed on Canvas. The next step is developing the digital script, which is essentially your script for the narrative portion of the video, and a visual map for the digital evidence. You want to record yourself reading your digital script out loud in a quiet room. This audio file is what you add to the video editing software to begin assembling your digital short. Once we have our script recorded in the form of an audio file, we are ready to build our digital short in our video editor. Most of you will use iMovie, but you are more than welcome to try any software that you find most convenient to your learning style. I have provided a number of steps for you to follow to begin developing the digital short. The script is the first assignment for this process. For the digital short, you have the opportunity to present your research this term in whatever manner you see fit. This is why step 1 begins with a discussion on rhetorical genre. Once you understand your audience and how you wish to convey your research, you may begin assembling the claims from your research and writing this term to develop your script. Once you narrow the audience and rhetorical genre down, you may take claims from your previous outlines and adjust them as needed for the outline to the digital script. The outline to the script will be the rough draft for the digital short. You will know what to say, and you will have gathered the visual evidence for your audience. When you are ready to make the digital short, you will have all the pieces.